James Adams. Would you please tell me what happened?
Our friendly colonists was throwing snowballs, then the mean British suddenly shot us. There. Any question?
Yeah.
Why did the British have bruises on them?
Aren't snowballs supposed to be soft or something? Well, I think, with all your respect, colonists threw hard stuff and snowballs, causing one of the British to trip and fall and shoot one of the people, confusing the other regulars to start firing, and accidentally kill 5 people, wounding a lot of them. Soldiers are guilty. The colonists are the ones to blame.